Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add a home button on your iPhone 16 lineup. Since your iPhones don't have a physical home button, we will enable a virtual home button using assistive touch. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on accessibility and tap touch and turn on assistive touch. From here, a floating assistive touch button will appear on your screen. As you can see, is the option. Tap it, select home to return to home screen like this. I'm showing you here. Tap it and select home to return to the home option or home screen. You can move the button anywhere on the screen for easy access. That's it. Now you have a virtual home button on your iPhone 16 series. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.